setting up a regular practice. Meditation is as much about your approach to everyday life as it is a more formal practice which you put some regular time aside for. It's a way of organizing your attention in the present, wherever you are, whatever you are doing. Meditation can be done sitting, standing, lying down, walking, moving, or singing. You can meditate in bed, on the train or bus, in the loo, in the bath, at the office, in the garden. In fact, whenever you want. If you have young children or live in a shared flat, privacy can be a luxury. However, personal space is more an attitude of mind than a place and set of circumstances. Bear in mind that there will rarely be a perfect place and time to meditate, and that potential distractions will always be present in one form or another. It's all about where and how you choose to focus your attention. Meditation doesn't require any special props. All you need are your natural powers of intention, focus, and awareness. The meditation techniques you've learned in this course can be used throughout your day as life skills to manage your stress levels, recoup your energy, and to help you keep an even perspective on things. Cultivate these skills as new, positive habits. From just a few moments at a time to 5 or 10 minutes grounding and balancing. For instance, before starting a difficult meeting at work, making an important phone call, or after doing something you found taxing. Remember that it is experience that creates change. Theory on its own is not enough. Begin to build meditation into the fabric of your everyday life. Put some regular space aside to practice. Make it part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth and washing. See it as an investment in your health and well-being, without which you wouldn't be able to function properly. Start by doing regular 5 to 10 minute sessions where you're able to comfortably maintain focus. Listen to what feels right for you, and give yourself time to build towards the deeper, longer sessions of 20 minutes or more. Bear in mind that, like anything else in life that's worthwhile, what you put in, you will get out. As you get more practiced at meditation, you'll find that it's something you naturally want to do because you feel better for it. Meditating first thing in the morning, when your mind and body are rested, can be wonderful. It's a great way to start the day, especially if you have a full and demanding schedule ahead. It will help you to prioritize, keep a level head, and gain clarity of vision. If you've had a disturbed night's sleep, meditation can be an effective pick-me-up and will refresh you, clear your mind, and get your energy moving. Meditating after your work is finished will help you let go of the stuff of the day, relax your body, and clear your mind whilst calmly re-energizing you for your evening's activities. Doing a short relaxation meditation just before going to bed will gently prepare you for a sound night's sleep. The following are 2 short meditations that can be adapted to any circumstance. All you need is a few minutes in your busy schedule. They can be done with eyes open or closed. To help you see the main elements, each one is introduced by a brief summary. A short meditation for everyday life on grounding and centering. This meditation helps you to ground and center yourself and can be used as a quick stress buster anywhere, anytime. The main elements are step back, soften, ground, release, and center. Pause for a moment and step back from everything. Allow your mind to soften. Come down into your body. Soften your belly. Feel your feet on the floor. Allow your body to connect with the ground. As you breathe out, release down to the ground what your mind and body are holding. And on your in-breath, breathe into your center. Draw yourself back to your center. Feel the solid support of the ground beneath you. And say the words, I am here. Close your meditation in your own time.